Hey everyone, welcome back to Good Grace's woodworking YouTube channel. Today we are going to be working with the Starbond Debonder. It is basically your high potent version of a a nail polish remover. And so today what happened is, when I went to replace my glasses, as you can see, I got some paper towel stuck on the top of my glasses when I went to bond back together my glasses. And so what I want to try to do is get this all cleaned off, and this here debonder is supposed to get that any cured adhesive off of any surface. This container right here actually has a brush end on it, if you can see. Let me take it out here. Very potent stuff, just like a nail polish, so it makes it really easy to apply the debonder. And you don't have to worry about this burning your skin or nothing. So this is actually a lighter formula, and so it's going to take a little bit longer to sit on here. So what I'm going to do is just take this right here, I'm just going to brush it right, there we go, brush it right on top. And it says it's supposed to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes for your lighter surface areas. So what we're going to do here is let that alcohol and everything like that sit on there. And this is a gel formula. And this is a 2-ounce bottle. So if you guys are interested in a thicker, more stronger, I'm going to call it nail polish, but debonder formula, I would suggest you try this out. And it already looks like it's eating through here, but we're going to give it a little bit, come back in about 10 or 15 minutes, and just see how well this the paper comes off my glasses here. Hey, welcome back guys. This is just the second part. We were waiting for that debonder to sit and just loosen up the cured CA glue on my glasses. As you can see, it's softened up now, so we're going to see how well with the rag. It didn't necessarily say how to remove the affected area, so we're just going to, as you can see, it just wipes right off there. Nice and clean. So if you need to take some glue off of practically any surface, that debonder really comes in handy. Took very little, and that stuff just came right off. So if you all were looking for some kind of substance that would help take all that stickiness away, I would highly recommend it. We will see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.